sound. It can trigger a memory.
Happy birthday to you.
Create an entire world powered by your imagination.
Start, 2, 1, boost ignition, and liftoff.
Audio listening has increased by 40% over the past few years. Forecasts suggest that the number of podcast listeners will surpass 160 million in 2023, growing by 20 million listeners a year. Now, you can discover how to leverage the power of podcasting for your brand.
Downloading everything podcast samples.
Amplify Canada is an initiative created by Pattison Media, designed to celebrate and elevate small businesses, the backbone of our economy.
This is Shifting Gears, the future of professional trucking, a presentation of the Alberta Motor Transport Association.
Welcome to Pillar of Hope. This podcast explores the groundbreaking discovery of an innovative use of a common drug that may significantly decrease the risk of COVID-19 complications in patients.
Music transports us emotionally and imaginatively. In this, our third episode of Joy in the Summer, a part of the alumni UBC Summer Series, bring travel through music.
Welcome to Charity Village Connects.
This is a dialogue about inequality, the issue of our time. A 3-part series of dialogues facilitated by King's College, London.
Smoking the soul-destroying reefer, they find a moment's pleasure, but at a terrible price.
Prohibition's gotta go. 3, 2, 1.
I declare the motion carried, which will legalize access to cannabis.
Let us tell your story. Visit everythingpodcasts.com, a division of Pattison Media.